This sale was too good to pass up. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Jen. Today I have a very exciting little haul from Jane's Agenda because recently Jane's Agenda had a buy one get one sale on planner covers and discs, and I may or may not have some planner covers in here. I also picked up a couple other things because I needed inserts, and after getting the covers and the inserts, it made more sense to get a dashboard than it did to pay for the shipping, and there was a dashboard that I've been wanting for a really long time. So I'm so excited to share this with you. So let's just dig right in. So I've opened this just and took a peek to make sure everything was in here, but I really haven't really dug into it yet. So I got a shell snapping cover, which I will take everything out and we'll look at it in detail. This is the dashboard I wanted, which is so pretty. And I got this blush. I think they call it blush. I'll double check that for you. I have inserts and a thank you card. I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate, so my affiliate link is down in the description box. If you shop that link, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you anytime you do that. I appreciate it so much. Also, if you're making your first purchase with Jane's Agenda, you can save 15% with the code planninggoaled. All right, let's look at everything. I want to look at this. I'm dying to look at this. So honestly, I knew I wanted the shell snapping cover because I have the shell wrap cover and it's beautiful. I love it, but I'm in a snap-in cover era. And so I knew I wanted the shell one, but I also wanted this one, and I don't know that I would have bought both of them if there hadn't been the buy one. It was buy one, get one half off, but I had to. But it's so pretty. I love it. So it's vegan leather, and it's this beautiful blush color, and the spine is clear or like frosted. So my half letter, hold on. My half letter planner is upstairs, but this is a half letter notebook that I had created quite a while back. Actually, I have a video of making this notebook. I will link it for you. It's from a long time ago, but let's try it, right? Just so we could see what it's like, because it's so pretty. And these little tiny discs right here are from Lavender. They're rose gold. They're so little, but they're great for a notebook size. But the thing is the discs are already pretty full, so I don't know if both covers are going to fit on there right now. But just so you get the idea of what that clear spine looks like, it's not like clear, so I like it. You kind of get like a hint of what's underneath, but it's not like perfectly clear, so it'd probably work with like a lot of different things. And it's just such a beautiful color. It's gorgeous. And then we have one pocket inside, which is how these typically are. And just one pocket like that. And then the back, which I won't try to snap on here. Actually, let me take this off. There we go. So it's embossed with Jane's Agenda, and it has a black pen loop. And it's just the pebbled blush on the other side. So that is gorgeous, and I'm not sorry. And okay, so let's look at the shell one. All right. Okay. So here's the shell one. I know it kind of blends into my desk mat here, but it's really pretty. The shell wrap cover is gorgeous as well. I have an unboxing of that. I'll link that for you. And I do want you to know that even though I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate, I purchased this with my own money because I really wanted it. So it's such a nice soft vegan leather. I really like the way it feels in hand. We have the same kind of frosted clear spine and the pocket. And then the other side we have a cream colored pen loop and the Jane's Agenda logo. And I love these. I love this style cover, and I put it right over my laminated or clear covers from Jane's Agenda, and it just makes such a beautiful look. Plus you get the pen loop and the pockets, so it adds both beauty and function to your planner, plus helps maybe keep your laminated covers from scratching, prematurely. Though I have to say I haven't had much issue with my Jane's Agenda covers. Okay, so this is actually a vellum dashboard. So you can see that you could layer it over other things like, here's my trusty notebook. Let's take a look. So these are dividers that I'm not sure if you can get from Jane's Agenda anymore. This was literally the piece that sealed the deal for me. The first time I ever ordered from Jane's Agenda, and I had ordered these, it took my breath away. It was so beautiful. It was just stunning. So here's Our Lady over. And I know this was from a sub box, but it was before I was subscribed. And I don't know if when it was made originally, if it was a regular cardstock dashboard, because I've seen people share it and that's how it looked to me, but maybe they had it layered over something. Well, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's kind of cool over the rose. What do you think? I like that. But it would also just look beautiful over a solid color like well, I'll just put it over a white piece of paper. You're still going to see the lines. But yeah, that is so pretty. And I wanted that. So it was worth getting that versus paying shipping. And I think this might go in my planner in my upcoming setup. So I do set up my half letter planner every month with my items from Jane's Agenda. So if you'd like to see that, if that interests you, maybe you would hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, make sure the notifications are to all, and then you'll be notified when that video comes out. Okay, I have one more item here to share with you. I decided to get a quarter of the new daily 14s. So we had received kind of like a preview of these daily 14s in one of our sub boxes. I think it was maybe like 3 months ago. I can't quite remember which box it was. And when I saw them, I thought they were cool, but I wasn't sure if they were going to work for me. But honestly, I've been shocked at how well they've been working for me in this season I'm kind of going through at the moment. They've kind of been really perfect for my needs at the moment. And like when they're not, it's easy for me to adjust or modify the layout so that it does work for me. And so let me show them to you. So the dailies, they do sell as a quarterly pack. So these are dated. And it's July to September of 2024. And honestly, I love that because it depends, but I rarely stay in something for a full year. So I love having the ability to not have to buy a full year. Who knows what I'm going to want to do by September? Because September always is a time of year where things take a big shift as the kids go back to school and lots of other reasons. So I could perfectly well be in something else at that point. But let's look at these because I really have been liking these a lot. So you just start with a piece of dot grid, which is nice. And I really do like the Jane's Agenda paper. It is very smooth and I like that. I like the way it feels. And then what this is a week on 4 pages. So basically you have a weekly overview. There's a little monthly calendar, but just know that that monthly calendar is a Monday start because The community had been polled and that was what they preferred. But for me, I prefer a Sunday start on my monthly, so I have to cover it up or it messes up my brain. Then there's a habit tracker. Then there's a little weekly task list, and then there's a little dot grid section. And then you have your days of the week. So each day you have a little lined top column that you can use however you choose. You could do your top 3 priorities, a gratitude, an appointment reminder, you know, whatever it is. Then you have a little blank area. Sometimes I've used that more to highlight my like important things that are happening that day, and I'll color code it with dot markers. I have a video showing that, or I also sometimes have put the weather there or something like that. So you can really use it however you choose. And then you have a timed area, which is 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. No half hours because it is condensed. But to me, it's been fine because I'm not that big of an hourly planner. But like if I do have like an appointment on that day or something, I will put it on the timed line. And if it's a half hour, I just write in the 30 and it's been fine. And then you have a little task list down here, which it purposefully has no header, so you can do whatever you want. I have been just doing like to do or today or something like that, and it's for a to-do list. But yeah, and I've just really been liking these. It's been like a good amount of room for what I need at the moment. And the only time really that sometimes maybe I need more room is on Sunday. And usually I'll just write also in Saturday, like it's okay. I know what's going on there. But, you know, if you need like a full daily page, usually, then you probably want the daily 13s, which I've also used and loved. But these have been great right now. So I have a quarter that makes me very happy. And I believe you get dot grid between the months. Yes, you do. You get dot grid between the months for a full separation. So I'm happy to have those. Okay, friends, this was such a fun little haul. I'm really, really excited. I will, I think, be using the shell wrap cover in the setup of my half letter planner for July. I can't believe I'm saying that. June, like, where did it go? It's like the summer's half over already. Not really, but that's how it feels. But anyway, thanks for joining me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.